Listen to the Dreadhead Trader with a grain of black salt. Do your own due diligence. Be your own DD. Be your own designated driver. You cannot trust what I say 100%. Know I have your best interests, and I always keep it 100. I appreciate y'all. Thank you for subscribing, add to the channel, holding me down last couple years. It's been a grind. Day trading, swing trading is not an easy journey. Options trading, it's not for the weak at heart. Investing, stocks, cryptos, it's not easy. My message to y'all today is to never give up on trading. You do not want to give up on something that is worth your long-term benefits in life. For me, I've been doing options trading for 3 years, and right now I'm mentally starting to understand that I can really do this. It's just a matter of holding yourself accountable every time you lose a trade. The great secret to all this, you have to win big, win small, lose small. Never, ever lose big. And it's as simple as that. Mathematically, when I started options trading 3 years ago, every year I had about a 60% win rate on an average year and 30% loss rate. But I was never profitable. You know why? Because I lost big too often. So why would I give up on something if I've never blown my account? I've lost big in those previous 3 years, 25, 24, and 2023, but I never blew my accounts. So now that I have 3 years of experience and I document every trade that I do, so I can look back to my portfolio, my archives, and see that, hey, the last 3 years, I have a great win rate. So why am I losing? Because my trades are too small. Oh, I'm sorry, my losses are too big. So why would I throw the white flag in if now I have burnt my hand on the stove, put my hand in the oven without the mitt and burned it too many times? I'm at the point now where I don't want to take an options contract that's too risky for me. I don't want to have a trade loss of bigger than 3 to 5%. 1 to 3% is what I attempt to risk, but I don't want to lose no more than that on my account. And think about it long term. If you accumulate more money and deposit to your account and have winning trades, over time you will have a big enough account to where you can have $1,000, $5,000, $10K, $20K, etc., and still risk 1 to 3% on a regular basis, 4 to 5 max. And that's what I'm looking to do. And a lot of people give up on trading because they blow their accounts too many times. They don't take any courses. They don't keep it real and say that they made mistakes. They don't battle test. They don't use demo accounts. They don't see exactly what they did wrong per trade. They don't look back at their charts. They don't study the numbers with the Greeks and the implied volatility and the spreads with the bid and ask. They don't study the highs and lows of a stock or a market's high and lows for the week, or annual highs and lows, higher highs, lower lows. These are just some things I'm pointing out. So now that I've been doing this now for 3 years and I've been investing since 2019 and in 2019, beginning of 2020, now it's like I've developed like that patient mindset. So I'm not really in here to hope that I'll make $50, $100, $200 a day. I'm just hoping that I make the best trade. And that's the message I want to send out to y'all, is that you don't want to give up on something that you've been working on for years and you know you're getting better. I feel like I'm about 90, 95% there as far as being a profitable trader on a consistent basis. It's just a matter of risk management and being a good sport and taking small L's and taking good small wins, and from time to time you get a big win. But for those of y'all that think about quitting, pray to Lord, pray to God, Lord and Savior. You gotta hold yourself accountable, and you gotta think about your lady, or ladies in your case, your man, your kids, or your future kids, your grandkids. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna keep working your 9 to 5 the rest of your life? Even if you decide to keep doing this, is your pension enough for you to retire? Even if it is, don't you want another source of income? A skill that requires you to have basically a cell phone, a laptop, and good Wi-Fi. You don't need a car, gas. You do need money. You don't need no background check. You don't need a letter of recommendation. You don't need no referral. All you need is a brokerage, some money that you're willing to lose, that you can afford to lose, some type of phone, laptop, good Wi-Fi, and a good risk-reward strategy, and just have faith in God. But yeah, I just want to get this out to y'all. Spread this awareness to everybody that's out there day trading, swing trading, or simply just investing. This your boy. Like, comment, share, subscribe. This is Trading G's with G. I'm out.